So at Junior Achievement, we teach kids how to start and run businesses and how to be smart with money, but today it's all about career exploration.
How long do you usually leave the option for?
For about a week to 2 weeks.
These high school students from all over Tarrant County are visiting 54 different local employers and businesses to find out what kind of jobs they have for them after high school, what sort of education they're going to need, what kind of wages they can earn, and that kind of fun stuff.
Or some benefits, because I see that you have to do the 401k.
Nobody has asked about benefits at all.
We're trying to find job opportunities that help us when we graduate high school.
We had a storm this morning blow through, the lights are out, we've got some emergency generators coming online, but the students are having a great time and the exhibitors are being very patient.
So what does the contracting have to do with AI?
So AI is going to revolutionize the way contracts are made.
Students that leave here make real life connections with every single one of the presenting sponsors here. That, for instance, I still keep in contact with a student I met last year at this same expo.
The numbers, the important things, right? Tuitions and fees before your scholarships.
Knowing that it's a small school and they will help me around, I'll be like, oh yeah, I know I'm gonna have help there when I need it.
We're here to let them understand all of the pathways that are available to them at Tarrant County College.
Most people don't know how many different options there are to start a career, and that's one thing this Junior Achievement Career Fair really does.
Anything is possible. Everything is possible.